These are the CDI micro-adjustable and single-setting torque screwdrivers. Both models feature a tri-lobular slip-resistant grip and a 1/4-inch hex receiver, which uses a powerful rare earth magnet to keep the bits attached. Their cam-over design prevents over-tightening while turning clockwise, and they lock while turning counterclockwise to allow for loosening tight screws. The micro-adjustable models feature an adjustment knob at the bottom and a window scale which indicates the current torque setting. Pulling the knob out and twisting it will adjust the torque setting, on this model by 5 inch-pounds for every full rotation. The single-setting models are factory preset to a certain value within their torque range and are tamper-resistant. To change the torque on these, you must remove the rear plug and use the supplied Allen wrench to adjust the torque. A variety of models are offered in different torque ranges. All achieve an accuracy of plus or minus 6% when used between 20 to 100% of their max torque. Their size, precision, and repeatability make these CDI torque screwdrivers ideal for electronic industries and instrument assembly. Find out which model best suits your needs by visiting our website, flexibleassembly.com, through the link in the description. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content and would like to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.